Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Bully Anniversary Edition on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Bully and search. From the list, you'll see Bully Anniversary Edition app from Rockstar Games. Tap on the Get button to start the download process. Now go ahead and log in with your Apple ID password, Face ID or your Touch ID to confirm the download. Once you do that, the application download process will begin. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed. So make sure you have a strong connection so that you can get the application downloaded faster. Once you are done with the installation, you will then need to purchase the game. After purchasing it, you will then be able to easily download and play the Bully Anniversary Edition on your iPhone. You can also enjoy the game without purchasing it, but only for 30 minutes. So that's how you can get the Bully Anniversary Edition app on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.